In this video, we listed the 5 best wireless printer under $200 that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Epson EcoTank ET2800. The Epson ET2800 Black is an innovative inkjet printer that offers a cartridge-free printing experience, utilizing refillable ink tanks instead of traditional ink cartridges. This model supports Wi-Fi and USB connectivity, enabling modern wireless printing solutions, including mobile printing capabilities through AirPrint and the Epson Smart Panel app. The printer boasts significant cost savings, with replacement ink bottles offering up to 90% savings compared to cartridges, allowing users to print up to 4,500 black and 7,500 color pages. It features high-capacity EcoFit ink bottles for easy refilling, contributing to zero cartridge waste and reducing landfill impact. The ET2800 is equipped with Epson's micro-piezo heat-free technology, ensuring high-quality prints with sharp text and vibrant color images on various paper types. Additionally, it includes a built-in high-resolution flatbed scanner and copier with a color display for straightforward document management. The printer supports hands-free voice-activated printing and is designed to deliver up to 2 years of ink with each purchase, minimizing the hassle of frequent ink replacements. For optimal performance and print quality, Epson recommends using their genuine ink products. Number 2. Canon Pixma Milligram 3620. The Canon CNMG 3620 KOB is a versatile all-in-one wireless inkjet printer that offers convenient wireless connectivity, allowing users to easily print, copy, and scan photos and documents directly from their mobile devices. It boasts a compact, space-saving design and comes in a sleek black color. The printer delivers a maximum print speed of 9.9 pages per minute, ppm, for monochrome and 5.7 ppm for color printing, with a 100 sheet capacity and auto two-sided printing feature. It is ENERGY STAR certified, emphasizing energy efficiency. Additionally, the printer can be connected to Alexa, enabling users to receive notifications when ink or toner is running low and even allowing Alexa to place smart reorders from Amazon without the need for a subscription. This ensures that users never run out of ink or toner, maintaining seamless and uninterrupted printing operations. Number 3. HP OfficeJet 8015E. The HP wireless inkjet printer is a versatile and efficient device designed for small businesses and home offices. It offers a range of features, including an auto document feeder, network readiness, two-sided printing, and a touch screen interface, all housed in a sleek white design. With a fast print speed of up to 18 pages per minute in black and 10 pages per minute in color, it efficiently handles professional quality color documents such as forms, reports, brochures, and presentations. The printer includes 3 months of instant ink with HP+, allowing users to print up to 700 pages monthly with ink delivered as needed. After the initial period, a monthly fee applies unless cancelled, potentially saving users up to 50% on ink costs. The HP+ service also provides advanced features for mobile printing, security, and automatic updates, although it requires an HP account, internet connection, and original HP ink for the printer's life. The printer supports dual-band Wi-Fi with self-healing capabilities to resolve connection issues and is compatible with the HP Smart app for printing, scanning, and copying from your phone. Security essentials such as basic encryption, password protection, Wi-Fi security, and document protection are included, with enhanced cloud-based security features available through HP+. Note that the printer is designed to work only with cartridges that have original HP chips or circuitry and will block non-HP cartridges. Periodic firmware updates ensure these measures remain effective. Number 4. Canon Pixma TR4720. The Canon Pixma is a versatile wireless 4-in-1 printer that offers printing, copying, scanning, and faxing capabilities. It features Wi-Fi and USB connectivity, utilizing inkjet printing technology to deliver high-quality color outputs. The printer supports borderless printing and includes special features such as double-sided scanning, an auto document feeder, and auto duplex printing. With a maximum color print speed of 4.4 pages per minute and a monochrome speed of 8.8 ppm, it is designed for efficiency. The Pixma model is compact, with a sleek black design, and holds up to 100 sheets of paper. It is ENERGY STAR certified, ensuring energy efficiency, and comes with a 1-year limited warranty. The printer is compatible with Amazon Alexa for smart reorders, allowing users to receive notifications and automatically reorder ink or toner when running low, without the need for a subscription. This ensures users never run out of essential supplies, maintaining seamless operation. Number 5. Brother HL L2460DW. The Brother HL L2460DW is a monochrome laser printer designed for home offices and small teams, offering consistent and high-quality print outputs. It features a compact and efficient design with connectivity options that include Wi-Fi, USB, and Ethernet, allowing for versatile use and easy integration into various setups. The printer supports automatic duplex printing, which saves time and reduces paper waste, and it boasts a print speed of up to 36 pages per minute. Users can manage the printer remotely using the Brother Mobile Connect app, enabling mobile printing and efficient management of supplies like toner. The printer's 250-sheet capacity paper tray and manual feed slot accommodate high-volume printing and specialty paper use, such as envelopes. Brother offers a 1-year limited warranty with free online, call, or live chat support. For optimal performance, Brother recommends using its genuine TN830 or TN830XL toner, with options for Refresh EZ print subscription service to ensure users never run out of toner while enjoying cost savings.